Blaze Dan is in the race! Blaze is in the race! Blaze is in the race! Oh my God! Almighty push.
Welcome guys, welcome to Stiff Breast channel. You don't know?
Yo, hey boy, Blaze there, you know, so we there with a Bun And Soda challenge. We there with Almighty God Almighty. You know anything? Watch out now, we there with Stiff Breast Breast in Jamaica, you know, so we there with some team. How this? Newcomer? Yeah. Watch out now. I can run the Bun And Soda challenge.
Oh, remember if you tell the people them say a tag team. You will have to start same time.
Watch out now. So Stiff Breast, explain the thing now.
You don't know it's a tag team, so you don't know me and the boss are going to do it. Blazer and Panga.
You dig?
So watch out now. We're going to start by 3. And the 2 girls them will start eat the bun first. The first one, if you don't finish, if your partner finishing, can't tag you until him finishing bun. So after 3, you take up on the bun and hold it on the hand. Just the 2 girls them we're going to start first. Oh! After 3, no pull it. After 3, we're going to start and pull it and start eat. 1, 2, 3, go. Try and start, you know. Jesus Christ! Oh my God! Wow! Still you're coming. Oh my God! Look at this! This is the real country girl over here. Oh my God! Wow! Wow! Panga, show them how you do it. Steve, boots up your partner, boy. Steve, no watching. They pack up to one more.
Messi running down Cristiano Ronaldo. Wow!
Wow!
Messi, we are do. Watch out!
Wow!
Messi running down. A bolt, again. Come in, man.
Steve, hurry up, man, win you. Jesus Christ!
We are the first by you, come in, man.
You don't know the whole audience out here at cheer on. You don't know anything about yeah. This is like the Olympics game right now.
Messi, Cristi.
Come in, Steve. Steve, come on, man. I feel child you can't make them deal, say no. Almighty God, Almighty. Oh my God.
Please, done ready, you know, man. Come in, man.
Oh, Panga. Jesus, oh my God! Watch out! Oh, he's tagging! Oh, he not tag, he not done. You just get disqualified now. Steve, hurry up, Steve! Look at this right here. And look at this right here. Jesus! She's so incredible and eating fun. Alright, tag! Blaze Dan is in the race! Blaze is in the race! Blaze is in the race! Blaze Dan! The audience is rolling! Oh my God! This is so incredible what Blaze Dan. Oh my God, the Stiff Breast crew is losing. Blaze Dan is so good at this. Eating. Oh my God. Blaze Dan. The audience. Steve. And no done. Yeah, he can't done it. He can't tag them attack. A tag team. Tag team. Audience a real feet Panga and Blaze Dan no. You can see what going on. Steve, Steve, me did tell you, alright? Not even little jinxing can get. We play what's up, boy? You full of sense, man? Boy, you're sensible. Boy, Stevie man, are you feel bunty, you know? Man, are you feel bunty at the same time? Steve, Shambok, you know? Steve, no, he can't tag him. If it's done, I want to see big old lens here go on a song. Blaze Dan hurt, man. Blaze Dan hurt, man. Panga done it for a long time. Panga pass off long time. See the audience out here, we don't turn how you go, you know. Yeah. One can out here. Almighty God, you are waiting. Steve, put your foot name out and eat the bun.
Steve, squeeze up the bun.
Squeeze up the bun and eat the bun. Steve, just bite the bun and put name out and tag him. Look at this. Stiff, she done it for her bun long time, long time, years ago. Blaze done. Just watch out, look at this. Look at this. Not even started one day so. Oh my God. They're still in the area still. Ready? This now be bun.
Put it next up.
Steve, make him man go in there. It's impossible for you. Catch him back, you know? Oh yeah, catch him back. Oh, tag you know. Yo, tag him. You can't tag him. You have to drink, you know, can tag you. Come, drink up the drink. When you take sham start. When him can't drink, no. Yeah. Fun fact.
Give me some.
Get one cup. Get one cup.
Yeah, one joke with you. One joke.
A joke then come with. One more sit now.
You want one more for him?
Yeah, half it.
They want them man. What ya? What? Can't say what you drink sense. Aye. Once my drink out, I back and my drink out, I joke. Shaman can't drink faith now. Steve, stop what you want to eat the bun. Oi. A panga be drink now. Oi. If you ever drink, you disqualify now. You have to wait. Panga is out. This team over here, they even stop eating the bun. Look at this. Jesus Christ. I joke this to bun. This is so crazy. What? Look. Where I go? Yeah! Lose! In that game, continue. In the loser, you know win there. What is? Oh, nothing come up. You know. When I wait 1 minute before you can start, then we can go to go pit out. You see me? You can't even if you tag me for wait, you know. Yo, anytime you done, you start the timer. Hey! Oh, you can't tag me now. Kyle, go pay your time. I'm going to tell you. You can't tag it. You just go escape. You have to face some consequences. Not even someone have to face something. Kyle, start the 30 second time. Tag him. That is 30 second timer.
One.
Make you see timer. No, don't start drinking. The timer have to run out, then you can start. It just start. He just tag you. Malcolm, hurry up boy, you're still in a race. You're still in a race. It's dark boy. But we see. I know 1 minute, 30 seconds. I know, but you go there to go pity out of your problem. Malcolm, hurry up boy. Go. Let's go. Oh, am I joking? Give it dash no more. 1 more 30 seconds. Malcolm, me tell you. That's how I miss you, boy. Come no, we could imagine.
Look what he
What's this? What? This not even move yet. I want Blaze done. How this? Oh God, man. Oh my God, son. Alright, I'm done knowing already. We're not even gamble. Watch out! One of his safety camera. When I finish that, I'm just done the channel, listen. No, it done. For sure, you can't drink something. For sure, just remember to like, subscribe, click notification bell to be notified. Don't know, so we out here. You see it, one of us set the camera. Malcolm, what you have to say?
Me lose.
But you still want to like and subscribe, not true?
Yeah.
We out here say, what you have to say?
One more drinks.
What you have to say? That's a banger. Jesus. Mr. Leng, what you have to say? Alright, you out here then.
One